Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorial. In this video we are going to see one very important thing regarding LinkedIn, and if you are having a profile on LinkedIn or you are planning to have a profile on LinkedIn and you want to attract many companies and recruiter, so there is one thing in that is called as the LinkedIn badge assessment test, which you can give, and it is very easy to get certificate from that, and some of you were asking regarding that, so I'll be making that video here. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel. In this channel you get various educational updates and some vlogs regarding MNIT, and if you are preparing for any examination, be it the government examination or the private examination, you can subscribe this channel because I'll be also uploading some of the tutorials regarding preparation and other computer tutorials, and some of the gadget reviews will also be done. So this is about this online video tutorial channel. Let's move to the LinkedIn profile. So if you go to your LinkedIn profile, there are various sections which you can upgrade to make your profile look good. So in that, one thing is there that is named as the skill test, which is a LinkedIn skill test which you can give, and it is clearly mentioned that candidates who earn a skill badge are 20% more likely to get hired, and you can give that test, but some of you are very worried that what kind of test that will be and what kind of the questions will that be asked, which will be very higher level, or what sort of things will be asked. So I'll be covering all those things here. First of all, if you go down on your profile, there is feature section, activity section, about experience, and then there is education section, licenses and certification, volunteer experience, and then skills and endorsement. So in skills and endorsement you can add any skill. So there are various skills which you can add, but those skills need to have a certain value, like a certain certification or certain proof that you actually have that skill. So one way of that is that you can ask some expert or some of your friends which who are working on those skills to give recommendation regarding that. So they can give recommendation, like one of my friend who is working on the MS Excel, he have recommended me on the MS Excel skill. So this type of thing is shown there, and if you go for the LinkedIn skill assessment badge, so this is the thing which will be shown, like I have these 11 skill assessment badge. So these are things shown here, and when you are applying on the some of the jobs, so they may ask that you should have AutoCAD or Microsoft Word or marketing type of these test assessment badges. So you have to give that test, or you can yourself in advance give that test. So what is the procedure for that? You have to just click here on take skill quiz. When you click here, so one pop-up will appear which will ask that these are various skills, which skill you want to take the test. You have C, C++, MySQL, WordPress, HTML, machine learning, object-oriented programming, Linux, Google Apps, SolidWorks, Visio, XML, PHP, Java, Adobe Photoshop. Approximately all the skills which industry demands are given here, and tools and technologies, all those things are given here. You may click on any one of this and you can start your skill assessment test. It is very basic thing that you have to give the test. It is 15 multiple choice questions, 1.5 minute per question, and once you tick on any question, you have to click on submit, or you the time limited that is allotted. After that you move on to the next question, and you cannot go back to previous question. So there are 15 MCQs. They are from intermediate to the basic level, and these questions you can give test, and if you earn up to 30% top score, there means 70% or above marks, so you will be getting that badge. If you have less than that marks, one more chance will be given to you. You can take LinkedIn various courses or some outside courses regarding that skill, and you can apply that skill and give the test later on. What is trick here that you can just search these answers and these questions on the Google itself. Like if I want to give HTML assessment test, so I will search HTML LinkedIn assessment skill assessment question. So there is are the GitHub pages where you can get these questions and its solution. Once you go through these questions, like these are the LinkedIn skill questions, so you can go to these GitHub pages, and once you go to these GitHub pages, you can just simply search whichever skill you are going for. Like these are various skills available here. or you can go for these skills quizzes like HTML is there. You can click on this HTML, and there will be the HTML quiz. So HTML quiz like these questions are there. So there are approximately 83 questions here. Yeah, 83 questions are there. So you can go by these questions first of all, and then start your test. Most of the questions are being repeated, so you can easily get that test. And these are the type of the questions which are asked. It is not that all these 83 questions will be sufficient enough to answer all these 15 questions, but after going through these questions you will be in position to answer 80 to 90% of the questions. So this is a very good way to get these skill batches. And once you go through these questions, you will be also getting the idea what kind of the questions are being asked, so you can prepare your coursework regarding that, and you can give that test. So in that way you can give any test. You can also practice some questions in that regard, and there are two questions per skill which you can practice. So this is the way you can give that skill, and once that skill is uh, achieved and you have that badge, so you can just share that badge on the LinkedIn like this, and you have that badge to show off your skill and to get more recruiters to look at that profile of yours, and give a job opportunity to you. So this is it regarding LinkedIn profile assessment test, which some of you have doubts. So I hope your doubts are cleared. If you have further doubts,